In this video, we listed the 4 best CHUWI tablet on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. CHUWI HiPad 11. The CHUWI HiPad 11 is a feature-packed tablet that runs on Android 14 and is powered by a Unisoc T616 processor, offering a robust performance with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, expandable via a microSD card. It boasts a vibrant 10.95-inch IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200, providing an immersive viewing experience. Equipped with dual cameras, including a 13MP rear camera and a 5MP front camera, it allows for high-quality photography and video calls. The tablet supports Wi-Fi connectivity, 2.4G per 5G, and Bluetooth 5.0, enhancing its usability for online tasks. It features a substantial 7000 mAh battery, ensuring up to 9.5 hours of working time with a 6-hour charging time. Additional features include support for OTG and a variety of languages, making it accessible to users globally. The tablet is lightweight, weighing approximately 493 grams, and comes packaged with a Type-C charger, user manual, and warranty card, making it a versatile option for both personal and professional use. Number 2. CHUWI HiPad XPro Tablet. The CHUWI HiPad XPro is a versatile and lightweight tablet designed for on-the-go users, featuring a sleek 10.1-inch IPS display with a resolution of 1280 by 800 pixels. Powered by the Unisoc T606 processor and equipped with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, this tablet can handle multitasking and various applications effectively. It runs Android 13 and supports Google Play, providing access to a wide array of apps. The device comes with dual cameras, including an 8MP rear camera and a 5MP front camera, perfect for capturing moments and video calls. Its 7000 mAh battery ensures up to 9.5 hours of continuous use, while dual SIM support and Wi-Fi connectivity enhance communication options. Additionally, the HiPad XPro boasts features like OTG support, expandable storage via TF cards, and a range of language options, making it an ideal choice for users seeking a reliable and stylish tablet. Number 3. CHUWI HiPad XPro Tablet. The CHUWI HiPad XPro is a lightweight and portable tablet that features a 10.5-inch Full HD IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels, and is powered by an octa-core Unisoc T616 processor with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Running on Android 12, it supports multitasking with a dual-window mode, allowing users to run 2 apps simultaneously for enhanced productivity. The tablet comes equipped with dual cameras, 5MP front and 8MP rear, a battery capacity of 7000 mAh providing 6 to 8 hours of standby and working time, and a range of connectivity options including 4G LTE, dual-band Wi-Fi, and multiple language support. Its design features a sleek metal unibody construction, weighing around 510 g, making it a convenient choice for users seeking a versatile device for entertainment and work alike. Additionally, the HiPad XPro allows for expandable storage via a TF card, further maximizing its usability for media and applications. Number 4. CHUWI MiniBook X Tablet. The CHUWI MiniBook X is a versatile 2-in-1 laptop that combines portability and performance in a compact design. It features a 10.51-inch IPS display with a resolution of 1200 by 1920, providing vibrant visuals in a narrow bezel format that enhances its sleek look. Powered by the Intel Alder Lake N100 processor, this device features 4 cores with a base frequency of 0.8 GHz and a turbo frequency of up to 3.4 GHz, paired with 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and a swift 512GB NVMe SSD for efficient multitasking and rapid boot times. The MiniBook X is equipped with a numeric keypad, a touch screen, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, and is designed for user comfort with a 360-degree hinge that allows for multiple usage modes. It also offers a solid battery life of about 8 hours, a robust cooling system, and features like Bluetooth, dual USB ports, and a 200MP front camera, making it suitable for both work and leisure. Constructed from durable aerospace aluminum, this laptop is lightweight, weighing between 1.5 to 1.8 kg, but sturdy, meeting the needs of mobile professionals who require reliable performance in a portable form factor.